Welcome to the Midwest Dial Tone training sessions. In this video, we will be going over the admin portal for making basic programming changes inside the version 20 3CX phone system. When you first log in, you will land on the team screen. This shows all the users on the system and their real-time status. To get to the admin settings, click the admin icon at the bottom left. This screen is the Admin Access dashboard. All categories for programming are broken out on tabs to the left. The Users tab displays all users or extensions on the system. To adjust the settings for a user, click on the user's name. Here, you can adjust the general settings, 3CX talk, call forwarding, schedule, IP phone, BLF, voicemail, view, and options. This screen shows online users and model type of the connection. Here, you can create new departments and assign users to their correct department. Once a user is assigned to a department on this screen, go back to Users and finish assigning the department setting. This is where you set your open and close settings for your business hours. Here is where you manage your ring groups, call queues, and digital receptionist, also known as an auto attendant. This is where all your reports and call logs are located. You can also see all your inbound DID routing at a glance. Here is a list of all recordings on the system. You cannot listen to recordings directly from the browser on this screen, but you can look at a transcription of a call by clicking on the entry, or download the file to your computer to listen that way. Advanced opens a second list of options. The main option to be used here is the CID blacklist. Here is where you can block incoming numbers that you do not want to ring in on your phone system. Thank you for watching, and we hope it was helpful. For even more information, you can visit our website at midwestdialtone.com. To see additional training videos, go to Customer Resources.